everybody, this is Charles again with another video, and this is an unboxing, and this is another one from my really good friend Tony Auletta. I was like, wow, really, another gift? And he messaged me on Facebook saying, hey Charles, do you want these? And I was so appreciative. He is such an awesome guy. He is so nice that he's willing to give this to me. And well, I mean, like, when he gave me the nano metal fig Green Lantern, he did say that this won't be the last gift he will give to me, so I will be prepared. So I can't wait to open this up, and like before, got my hobby knife and my pair of scissors. So let's begin. See if I can get it. And this is what Tony sent me. The Secret Wars comic books. Because Tony and I were both Marvel and DC fans, and we both love the Secret Wars. It's one of my favorite storylines from Marvel. And it's funny how the last gift he got me something DC related, and now he got me something Marvel related, because those are my two favorite things. Those are two of his favorite things. And wow, I got issues 1 through 11. I was like, oh my gosh, such a thoughtful guy. Look at these. And the artwork is just absolutely gorgeous. Just wow. So thank you so much again, Tony. I really do appreciate the gift. It is so thoughtful of you. And just like before, please subscribe to his channel and the channel he co-hosts, Toast and Toys. I'll send the links in the description. And he got this to me on Halloween. So this is quite a hell of a treat. So thank you for watching, everybody. I'll see you in the next video, and happy Halloween.